Hi, this is Neri Omar and I just finished for you this lovely makeup look. I used the Chanel NUIT ASTRALE. If you want to see how did I apply this one on my eyes, please keep watching. My makeup tutorial will start now. Just don't go anywhere. And please subscribe if you have not yet. See you in 1 second. Let me prime all my face with you this time. Chanel concealer, the darker shade. I use it now to prime my lid because I wanted to finish, and it's almost. Was helped by sales expertise in the Chanel Nordstrom. I don't know, every time I ask or they offer their help, always this is my bad purchases for me. Do you have the same, guys? My face primer today, I will use the Clé de Peau. I didn't use it at all. And a Sublimage, le Concéntrate Lumière, because we are in festive mood, huh? Gorgeous. And I put a lot. And then the primer. My lips, Lip and Cheek Balm, the darkest shade I have. Berry Boost, maybe? I'll write all the products down below for you guys in the description box. I love those. Okay. Perfect. Eyelash color. My handy dandy powder, I will just apply on my lid. Sometimes it gets so tacky, I find little bit difficulties. Then I apply the eyeshadow. I am so excited because I kept it for a special day. I am going to use the Chanel NUIT ASTRALE, right? This one. Oh, guys, it's perfect. It's perfect. Sonia G worker brush. This shape, it's like round here and little bit flat, but not that flat. I will take this one. Okay, yeah, this one. All over the lid. Adding. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I think epiphany will come when it comes, right? Tap, tap. I didn't put in the inner corner anything. And I didn't reach as well the crease. See where is my crease and where is the shade? Sonia G, this one, smudge brush, I love it. I love the wooden handle too, it's very nice. And with the same shade, this one, I'll do underneath. Oh, fall out so far. Connect here. Now blend with the same brush. Don't have fish. My SURRATT. I will take this nice one here. Okay, and light-handed, and blend here. Okay, and in the crease, the brush perpendicular, just back and forth. Start to show, right? Can you see it? In the crease, exactly. Yeah, start to see it. In the crease. Okay. Wow. Because if you watched my makeup tutorial yesterday, I hope that you watched it. I will put the link down below for you if you have not yet. It's more festive, pigmented, strong eye look. This palette and this eyeshadow texture, it's very soft, very nice, very je ne sais quoi. So there is no comparison. I add again from the bluish gray one, just in case from the blending it's faded a little bit. This will be a very easy. And by the way, I said the same for the yesterday makeup tutorial, because actually it was very easy. All the Prada eyeshadow texture, oh, it's totally different than Chanel, but wow, amazing in blending. It didn't take me a while to make my eye makeup look. It was so easy. Tan, 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 tan. The palette helped me. This one too, it will be the same. And I will do the same underneath. Shukohodo pencil brush. Love it too, it's a very soft. And I will take this shade and I will blend down here. The same steps like I did on the top. Okay. Your eyeliner brush. I'll take the darkest one, the bluish gray or grayish blue. Just a little bit. However, I'm planning to have eyeliner, but let me fill up any gaps. I have to cover all gaps so to complete the look. Flawless look. Again with my pencil brush Shukohodo, just a blend. Without anything extra, just a blend. I use this one and this one. This gorgeous shimmery one. Yeah, maybe with my finger. Yeah. Wow, guys. Wow. Cleaned up, guys, and I put the eyeliner SURRATT, and then now this beautiful shade in the inner corner. I don't know what I am going to put in the brow bone. Let me first finish that. Noir Intense 88. The mascara. I will use the new one, comes with the collection. It's called Anthracite or something. You can read it. I'll write down for you everything. I'm so excited. Let's see. And you know me, my favorite mascara from Chanel is the Volume de Chanel mascara. Actually, to be honest with you, I've never tried Noir Allure. Can you believe that? Make my lashes long, curly, separated, which I like. Huh, I'm impressed, guys. I like it. I have the black version. SURRATT small flat. I will add a little bit of this blue. I will do it very light. A hint of the blue, you know, for like cleaning up this area. My concealer and foundation. I applied yesterday in front of the camera. Today I will do it behind the camera, and I will do my eyebrows too, and I will come back to you. Don't go anywhere. I picked SISLEY for my bronzer. Very, 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 very good product. Please buy it if you don't have it. Oldie but a goodie. Chanel blushes. The old version. 340 Evening Beige. It has been a million years I didn't use it. Again, this is the old formula. I smile. It smells, still smell nice. And for highlighter, I picked Oldie but a goodie 2 Chanel. Do you remember those? Can you see that? You know me, I love to do it like that. Or white. Smell divine. I always do that. Powder brush from the puff here. Just blend everything together. Voila, the last thing, my lipstick. I picked Celine lipstick. Very nice. Lip gloss. Yeah, give me more shine. Okay, guys. Last touch. SISLEY. Eau de parfum. Eau de soir. Love the bottle too. Okay, I'm done. Let's recap this beautiful look I have. Okay, so I start always with primers. Clé de Peau and Chanel. Lip balm, Chanel. Concealer, Chanel for my eyeshadow primer. SURRATT eyelash curler. SISLEY Paris and Taupe for my eyebrows. Victoria Beckham, Featherfix for my eyebrows. Eyeliner, Noir and Tones, 88, waterline up and down. And my eyeshadow or eye makeup look, as you can see how gorgeous it is. NUIT Astrale Chanel. Guys, this is the best. And I used eyeliner SURRATT. That's it, but everything, it's from here. Oh, this is gorgeous palette. It's still available to buy. Please buy it, don't hesitate. It's very good. SURRATT eyeliner, liquid eyeliner is the best too. Foundation and concealer, Sublimage. On setting up powder, I used Lumière, the old version. I want to finish it. It's very good. Bronzer, SISLEY Phyto-Touche, very nice. A blush, oldie but a goodie, Chanel Evening Beige. I love it. Highlighter, oldie but a goodie, Les Symboles de Chanel in pearly white. This is all everywhere. The finishing powder, I used the Pearly from Meteoroid. This one. I just do like that and take what is in the puff. This is what I used all over my face. A lipstick, Celine. Rouge, Le Rouge, I think. And the last but not least, my eau de parfum. Eau du Soir, SISLEY Paris. And I hope that you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Please give me a huge thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet. I would love you to join us in our small family. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys. Bye.